And everybody, hi, hi, hi. Good morning, everyone. Morning, everybody. So today is day 2 with our van, and we are very excited to get things started and get things on the way. I know Christopher's downstairs already. He's got his toolbox, got his work clothes on. He's in the zone to fix this van. For those of you who don't know, we bought a non-running van with a few issues that we know we can fix, and today we are going to be taking off the wheels to look at the brake pads and to hopefully put new brake pads on and discs if we have to, but obviously we have to take the wheels off first to see if everything's okay. So I'm going to finish my coffee and then I'm going to get my cleaning supplies, and my job today is to clean. So I'm going to be on a bit of a cleaning spree. But I'm going to head downstairs now to see how things are going, and hopefully everything goes to plan today.
Yeah, so today we're going to take off the wheels and see what's holding up the brakes, because it takes like 2 people to, or maybe 3, to push it and it barely moves. So we're going to check the wheel calipers, we're going to check the handbrake cable, also just have a look visually at the brakes to see what the discs look like, and then at least once we get it rolling, then once we've done that, we're also going to have a look and see why we seem to have discovered the injectors leaking last night. So yeah, we're just going to try and see if we can see which one or where it's exactly leaking from, and then we can try to diagnose it a bit better. Check the brake pads and the rear brake. I think they're seized for some reason. Maybe the handbrake is still on when the cable snapped. I'm not sure. So we need to investigate that. Needed a proper wheel spanner, but we don't have it available right now.
So making a plan, are you?
Yep. Looks okay. It's been standing a while. Brake pads are about 70% life, so they're okay there. ABS is all connected correctly. Bushes don't look too bad. CV boots are intact. Pass.
I just found a saw for some reason. Not sure how they got up there, but it's in me. And I'm also not sure how I'm going to get this down.
I seem to have found the issue. We're going to crank the engine, and I seem to have noticed that it's leaking from injector number 1, right about there. Alright, do you want to try and crank it there? I'm not sure if you saw that.
Any progress?
Okay, so we've replaced the seals in the head where the injector sits. and I've replaced the copper washers at the bottom of the injector. So I've just got to tighten up a few more bolts and connect these pipes for the diesel, and then yeah, just obviously push these back in.
What did you do? Take them all out and clean them?
I pulled out the injectors one at a time. I've changed all the copper washers. Now I'm just going to tighten the injectors back in, and then hopefully we can fire up.
Ooh,
With a little bit of luck, we'll
get somewhere.
We'll get somewhere.
Happy
So,
days.
let's see. So yeah,
All right, well, hurry up then, because
I'm working
I
on
want
it.
to start.
And then obviously we're gonna have to clean off the whole engine because it hasn't been looked after. But hey, I'm sure we'll get it spick and span ready to do it.
Nice. I've done the whole inside. Come and see my work. Ooh. Taking everything apart today. Everything is off. Oh, you can't really see properly. But it is looking shiny. Look how shiny that is. Whoop, whoop. Sorry, excuse me what I look like. But I'm pretty proud of myself. I've taken everything out of this van. I've dismantled the whole of the front. I've gone blank as to what it's called. And I've taken all the pieces apart. I've unscrewed every screw there is to unscrew. And I have bleached it. And I have sprayed it with this amazing stuff. Dash Dandy Satin. Get it. It's worth your while. Yeah, so now I'm pretty much waiting for Christopher. So I can see if we can start this van.
And then with a little bit of luck, we'll be in business.
Just make sure you do a good job, eh?
Sure thing.
I gave it what? We said 20 minutes and we'll fight. And we haven't fought today.
Yeah.
Hey?
Been a little bit stressful.
We haven't fought today.
Nah. I'm hoping it's going to start though. So
I'll fight with you now if it doesn't.
I better pray. Okay, a moment of truth.
Want me to put the clutch in?
If you want.
Or just as is?
I think you should fire up.
Okay. Alright folks, this is all we've been waiting for. Alright. Petrol? No? Just go. You ready?
Yeah. Oh. Disaster has struck. We have diesel everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah. Alright, let me have a look. This is not good.
Oh my god! What's
I
happening?
don't know.
Let me get in there. And not tight enough.
I don't know. Try and tighten it up. Try and start again. Let's see.
Okay. Ready? Take 3.
It's a little bit of disaster. We're better than before, but something's not right. It seems like it's not sealing at the bottom or something.
I thought we were in it there for a couple of seconds.
No, it can't have your lucky first time round. We've got to try again.
Oh.
Do you think we should pull the whole thing out, or we'll try and tighten and see?
Gosh, I don't know.
I think this.
You're the engineer.
Oh, I'm not a mechanic though. Oh,
let's take it all out first. To be sure.